important bit, which is, actually everything is important, but the gun. Everyone wants to see the gun. And I will tell you something. Yeah? Oh yes. What's up? Ta-da. Oh. Yes, look. It's a Nuprol Delta Partner Defend AEG series, called M6 electric. Really good. Let's see how she looks like. And then probably hear more sticks or no. Menu. Another mag, but this one is meh. I don't like them. High caps mag, but still they will come with the gun. Here actually I have another mags here inside, which is already listed to sell it. All brand new, never used them. All Nuprols, but never used. Look, I don't like them. So it's all on sale because I just don't like them. So all these mags come with my guns. I put them to sell it. Now there's 5 of them to sell it. Yeah? Okay. Let's go to see the gun itself. Probably I think you already spot. Look. Oh. Yes, in blue color. Why is in blue color? Because I will paint it anyway. So I will do camouflage anyway. So, and they was out of stock the color I want. I want on thumb colors or multican colors anyway. So I will paint it. Just remove the stickers and mask here. Always mask here with the tape to look like original. Mask these small ones here, and the rest is ready to go. Remove it all the blue colors and paint it them. That's it. Look, you got that one there, you got this one here, and then she's ready to go. Look, you can see here, really nice. You have your hop up here, which is not very convenient because it's very small. You need to use your nails to remove. I like on the G36 or G608 because they are very wide and big. On the other gun my son has, the M4, is a wide as well, so it's very big for you to put your finger here. This is very tiny, but okay, it's fair enough for the price for the gun itself. Stock to make our gun a little bit bigger. What another feature is nice to add on these guns is the suppressor. Why? Because when you put the suppressor, I haven't got any one suppressor closer to me here right now, but you make your gun more nice and big. So let's say this is not suppressor, but it's a piece of metal. If you add on top, yeah, look, it makes more impression on your gun. So if you make even bigger, so your gun would look like more big, obviously. And end of the story. So you are ready to go. This gun is ready to go. she shoots on the 330 FPS out, direct out of the box. It comes with two Allen keys, which is not really important, but anyway. So what I noticed, my batteries is not here, so she will be on the way, I believe, by tomorrow. Today is Sunday. By Monday, I believe my batteries will be here. Anyway, I have other batteries to fit it on the gun. So here is the compartment. Press there, which is always hard, yeah, to take these things off and to remove them. I don't like them. Really good. Ding a ding a ding a ding. Wait. Jesus Christ. Everything what is new is not very good to remove. As soon as you start to get used to it, and is ready to go. But actually this is really tight. Really, really tight, which is unusual. Oh my God, really tight to remove. I need to see why. Anyway, so these parts here from these guns M4, I think there is one here as well somewhere. Oh, no. Okay, I put inside the pack. This little thing goes here. I always take out from this top, because this is useless every time if you need to change the battery on the game or whatever. So you need to press this. Is hard. Anyway, I don't like it. So this rubber thing, they don't need to come away from here, because it's already made it to stay here. Yeah, let's put it back, let's put it back. Wait, guys. Okay. Right here is the compartment for the batteries, which is in there. If you want to remove everything, so you just pop it off. Here is the wire connector. As always, they come with mini for your batteries to connect. There is two ways to put your batteries. If you have just one thick, you can put inside here and make this smaller if you want to. Or those ones is split in two, where you can fit them right there. Yeah? Okay guys, this is pretty much what we have today. And here is one of more toys to play on the field. And here is IM4 Nuprol, and I believe it would be good fun. Yeah? See you in the next game.